Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So we only got one file left in order for us to make our application complete with this feature on the Context API. So the protected route here just needs a little bit of modification, and that's it. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna do a ternary operation here, and I'm gonna say, well, if the auth user role is the same as admin, then what I want to do is I want to redirect to admin, else we'll redirect to dashboard. Super simple, all right? That's it. Let's go back here. Let's just make sure that things are working 100%. Yep, that's working. Make sure that what you're spelling here is correct. Dashboard. Make sure that in your app routes, your path is correct. Dashboard, right? I think I had a misspelling there, that area there. So yeah, beautiful. Profile, settings, homepage. Let's go back and log out. All right, I think we're complete with this. Guys, if you were able to follow me, great job. Remember to subscribe. Remember to like the videos if you're watching this on YouTube. If you are on coding faculty, welcome to the club. Make sure that you download the video if you want to watch it offline, if you're on codingfaculty.com, or if you need help, make a comment and we will help you out. Remember that that's what we're here for. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this very much. Remember to share it with your friends, support the channel, support the website, help me out so that I can keep making more content for you guys, so that way you guys can learn more. That's my only goal here in life, is to help as many people as possible. That makes me happy. And if you were able to be successful at anything with any of my courses, send me an email. I would love to hear from you. Seriously. Thank you so much. If anything, I'll see you guys on the next feature, or maybe we are done with this course. I'll see you guys in the next video or next course or just in the next email. Take care.